Ever wondered why that yellow rectangle seems to be everywhere in Australia? Walk down any street, and chances are you'll see the familiar logo of the Commonwealth Bank, or Commbank as it's more commonly known. Maybe you, yourself, bank with them. But what is it about Commbank that makes them the most popular bank in Australia? Is it just brand recognition, or is there something more to the story? Australia has a strong and competitive banking sector, with a handful of major players. So, why do so many Australians choose Commbank? Let's dive into a few of the reasons why Commbank might be the banking behemoth it is today. Financial strength and stability. First up, security and stability. When you entrust your hard-earned cash to a bank, you want to know it's in safe hands. Commbank boasts a reputation for being one of Australia's most financially stable institutions. They consistently rank high in terms of return on equity, a key metric for investor confidence. This financial muscle allows them to invest heavily in infrastructure and technology, which translates to a smoother banking experience for their customers. Extensive branch network and digital presence. Speaking of experience, Commbank offers the best of both worlds. Australia might be moving towards a digital future, but there's still a comfort factor in having a physical branch you can visit. Commbank has the largest branch network in the country, so chances are there's a branch conveniently located for you. But they also understand the digital revolution. Their mobile app is consistently rated as one of the best, allowing you to bank from anywhere, anytime. Range of products and services. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation when it comes to banking. What a student needs is different from what a family needs, which is different from what a retiree needs. Commbank recognizes this and offers a vast array of products and services. Whether you're looking for a simple transaction account or a complex investment strategy, Commbank likely has something to suit your needs. Innovation and staying ahead of the curve. The financial landscape is constantly evolving. Commbank understands this and is a front-runner when it comes to innovation. They're constantly developing new tools and features to make banking easier and more efficient. From their CommSEC Pocket investment platform to their focus on artificial intelligence and data security, Commbank is striving to stay ahead of the curve. Brand recognition and reputation. Let's not forget brand recognition. Commbank has been around for over a century and has built a strong reputation in the Australian market. Their ubiquitous marketing campaigns and community involvement have made them a household name. This brand awareness and positive perception can be a powerful force when it comes to attracting and retaining customers. Is Commbank the right choice for you? We've explored some of the reasons why Commbank is the most popular bank in Australia. Financial strength, extensive reach, product diversity, innovation, and brand recognition, all these factors contribute to their dominant position. But here's the thing, what's most popular isn't always what's best for you. Do your research, compare Commbank with other banks, and consider your own individual needs before making a decision. There are plenty of great banks out there, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. So, is Commbank the right choice for you? Only you can answer that question. But hopefully, this video has equipped you with some valuable information to make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.